Even the sun must eventually set. For 1,000 years, the lion has held the throne. He is the apex, the king, the god of the savanna. But in the shadows, a rebellion is growing. They are not just scavengers. They are an army, intelligent, relentless. Tonight, the rules of the jungle change. Tonight, the numbers will overwhelm the power. This is not a hunt. This is a war for the throne. One king fighting to survive against a clan of 50. Welcome to Wild Reality. Our story begins 3 weeks before the massacre. The drought has lasted 3 months. The rivers are dust, and hunger makes everyone desperate. The king is old. His body is failing. He can no longer patrol the borders, but his enemies are not starving. The Hyena Queen has been waiting for this moment. She has gathered the clans. Usually, they fight each other, but today, they are united by a single goal. They have the numbers, they have the intelligence, and now they have the courage. The king hears them. He knows what is coming, but he is alone. The attack begins at midnight. No warning, no mercy. It is not a hunt. It is a siege. They swarm the king from all sides. He fights with the power of a god. One swipe can crush a spine. But for every one he kills, 2 more take its place. They are tiring him out. The stamina is gone. The king is bleeding. The throne is slipping away. The queen watches. She knows the war is one ... morning breaks over the battlefield. The silence is deafening. The king survives, but the empire is lost. The territory now belongs to the clan. A new era has begun, the era of the laughing death. Nature has no pity. Subscribe to Wild Reality to see if the king takes his revenge.